a master plan for having all high court stations. And when I talk about a high court station, we are supposed to have a land and environment court. We are supposed to have an employment court where that is necessary. And of course the high court in each county headquarters in the country. We also want to have magistrates courts in every sub-county headquarters in the country, 290 of them. But the court is not going to keep physical files. We are moving digital, and we are very keen on that. The reason for that is we want to speed up our work. We want to keep the integrity of the court record.
We have provided further land to the judiciary at Mucirithania, and in order to buttress our request for urgent action from the Chief Justice in terms of a court at Mucirithania, let me say here that my government is quite ready to provide temporary accommodation in the same manner that we had done to the High Court here at Mucirithania, in order, thank you, in order to facilitate that request.
There is a very compelling need for a resident environment and land court judge in Nanyuki. I constantly sympathize with the citizens who have to travel all the way to Nyeri for hearing of appeals and other land cases, which can only be tried in such a court. I am acutely aware of the inordinate delays in conclusion of land cases in this region, occasioned by the suspension of the only environment and land court judge in Nyeri sometimes last year.
Mungu awabariki sana. Thank you very much for coming.